Imagine a new client has come to your office. They have a big problem that they would like to solve. They come to you and ask for help. Imagine that that client leaves the very first session filled with hope, but they have more than hope. They also have some very practical strategies that can help them between now and their next session to take control over the situation that brought them to your office in the first place. If we haven't met before, I'm Dr. Richard Nongard. A lot of people know me because I've written numerous books in the field of hypnosis and counseling and psychology. And I'm going to be presenting on December 4th in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, on behalf of the Malaysian Hypnotherapy Association, a workshop titled Contextual Psychology, Evidence-Based Approaches for Your Next Session. And I'd love it if you would attend. This all-day seminar is going to look at some theory or some ideas that are new in the field of psychology and apply them both to counseling as well as to hypnotherapy sessions. But more importantly than the ideas or the theory of relational frame theory or dialectical behavior therapy or acceptance and commitment therapy are the very practical skills and the very practical techniques that you can use with your clients. In this all-day seminar, I'm going to be teaching you ideas that you can bring home to your sessions with your clients. Ideas like leaves on a stream, ideas like the 1, 2, 3 emotional reset, ideas that are based on contextual psychology or evidence-based approaches that can help your clients to actually take control. The great master Oogway, yes, that's the turtle from the Kung Fu Panda movies, said, "Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. All we have is the present, and that's why it's a gift." Most of the clients who we work with have a problem because they're either ruminating in the past about the past or they're projecting their anxieties into the future, and they're missing the power of the moment. Contextual psychology gives us a set of skills and a set of strategies to really break the cycle of enmeshment with negative thoughts, with emotions that are catastrophic, and with sensations that are uncomfortable, and help us to move our clients easily and quickly into the present moment. The good news is these strategies are highly effective in both traditional counseling, any form of psychotherapy, and definitely in professional and clinical hypnosis. All you need to do to make sure that you have your spot is to register through the Malaysian Hypnotherapy Association. You can contact Joyce or you can contact other members of the organization, and I will see you in KL on December 4th, 2022 for this all-day workshop, Contextual Psychology, Evidence-Based Approaches for your next client session.